You have in the rules of the tajweed what's called the Imala, and in the Warsh recitation you have the taqleel. And what it is in the Imala, you see in the Hafs recitation, you see in this ayah in Surah Al-Hud, فيها بسم الله مجريها مجريها. So over here, normally speaking, it's mujraha, but what happens is it goes between a fatha and a kasra between the two, and they call that imala, mujreha, that's how you pronounce it. And if you look closer, you see that there's a little circle on the bottom. And what happens is you have what's called imala, you have fatha, you have huda, al-huda, which is a fatha. Then imala would be between a fatha and a kasra, like over here, mujreha. Over here is a fatha, ha with a fatha. But if you go between it, you say hey. Ta hey in the Warsh recitation, you say. So that's what you call the imala. But in Warsh, almost all the places they have what's called the taqleel, which is between the imala and between the fatha. In other words, 25% down to the ya, and 75% up towards the fatha. So it's like between the imala, hey, like over here, hey and ha. So it's a ha, like that, so similar to that. So they call that taqleel. That means a little bit going towards the ya. So over here, they say huday. Not huday completely, but like between huday and huda. So huday slightly between it. That's how you say that. That's one of the ways to recite it. So you have the three things. You have fatha, like say huda, and then the imala kamila, the kapil, huday. But in the Warsh, all the places, they have huday, like slightly over. And what they would do in the Warsh, if you have a Warsh mushaf, then what happens is they put a little dot below it to indicate that you have the taqleel. Say, abasirihim. That's when you do the taqleel, and you see there's a little dot. Let's see the sawd over here, they put a little dot underneath. So normally speaking, you say abasarihim, and that's how you recite it in the Hafs recitation. For Warsh, you do the taqleel. We'll talk about that maybe in the future, the reason why you have that. But it's good to have a Warsh mushaf, then you can see the places where they have that, and especially the ones where the red color is different than the Hafs. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.